Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we're going to be adding some more interior ambient lighting to the center screen of my Tesla Model Y. Make it stand out a little bit more and really highlight some of those awesome Tesla features. Let's get into it. So this is the screen lighting kit we're going to be talking about today, and I got this from Handshow. It's a pretty cool product. You can see where it's going to go on each the left and the right side of your main screen, and had some really cool ambient lighting. It's just going to stick on, and it's powered by USB. So let's take a look at it and show you everything that it comes with as we open it up here. Pull it all kind of out of the package. And as you get into it, you'll see what it is. It's just kind of these sticky light bars that are just going to attach to the left and the right side of the screen, powered by USB-C. So pretty cool product, also pretty simple, just to add a little bit extra flair. If you love ambient lighting inside your Tesla like I do, this is going to be a really cool project. Super easy to install, and we'll show you all the steps here. Comes with some extra sticky tape, some quality control, a USB-C to USB-A adapter there. You get some of these kind of sticky adhesive things to help do some wire management. And this is kind of cool. I think this is a USB with two outputs on it. So you have a C down there, an A right here, and then on the other end, you have two USB-C ports to plug in each one of the lights. So it's actually pretty cool. It's going to be a quick and easy install. Let's get into it. So over here in the passenger seat, I have my glove box open, and we're actually going to be using this USB port right here. I'm going to take out my Sentry Mode stick. Make sure that if you take this out and you actually want to keep using your Sentry Mode, get some kind of splitter or something like that so you can have your Sentry Mode active at all the time. But I'm actually just going to use this port to hook up these ambient lights right now and show you guys kind of what it looks like. So the first thing I want to do is actually get my actual USB-C cord, the end here, the USB cord, and plug it in. And get that kind of in. Now, again, as we saw, this kind of comes and terminates in two USB-C ports. So we're going to plug these into each side of the lights and then kind of route some of the wires up along these angles here. And I'll show you all that in a second. So you'll see, I just started here, and I'm actually just taking the wires out of my glove box and just kind of routing them right in this little crack between the silver piece of trim and the actual kind of dash trim below it. So I just tuck one wire in, kind of follow it up with the next one, because I want this installed to be kind of clean and, you know, look pretty classy where I don't have a bunch of wires hanging out. So I'm actually just kind of going to work it, take my time, press them all the way in, and you can kind of see that it's sticking up there pretty well. Get it kind of pushed in. You could use a trim tool to help out with some of this too, but just get your wires tucked up back in here. When we have the excess down here, we're going to take and kind of just install our two little lights that actually kind of work right on the end here. You can see there's a little USB-C port on the back. Plug it in one, you'll actually see it turn on. Actually pretty cool. I like the effects. Another thing to note on these lights, there is a button on the back which changes the effects. So if I push it, I'll go through all of these when I install it. I just want to show you guys real quick. Kind of goes to a rolling light effect. Then I think a static effect where it just blinks through all the lights. I'll show you all these cool features as we get them installed. I just wanted to show off that button real quick that I found as I was installing these. But I'm going to keep working on tucking in some of the wires, and then it's really just going to be pulling off the sticky pads and getting them stuck to the sides of my screen right here. All right, so we have everything kind of installed and hooked up. It was actually super simple. I just went ahead and peeled off the sticky backing on each one of the light bars, stuck them to the screen. I want to take you down here and show you how I routed my wires. So I just have it plugged in here. I took most of the slack back into the glove box here, so it's kind of a little rat's nest here, which I'm going to tidy up later. I just went easily up through this little kind of crack between the silver trim piece and your kind of just dashboard piece here. Went along in the back. The one plug is just wrapped all the way around the bottom to the other plug, and this one I routed right here and used one of the included little clips that are included with the kit. They give you 3 of these little wire management clips and just routed the wires right there. So it actually looks really clean. I'm actually happy with how everything kind of looks and installed. Super simple install, just some stickiness, and it seems like it's really secure. I don't think these things are going anywhere if I move them around. I also have the swivel screen attachment, so I made sure to include enough slack so that I could swivel, you know, the cords everywhere they needed to go. So now that we have everything installed, when you have the 2 USB plugs plugged into the light bars, you only need to push one button on one of the sides to make them sync up. They actually synced up perfectly. So I want to go through all the different settings and modes that you can do on these awesome light bars. So if I click that little button on the back, it changes the mode. It changes kind of what it's displaying. So you started off with red. Now we have this awesome purple color. Looks like you get also this kind of chasing color. It goes up and one down and then the next one, then it's going to go orange, go through all the colors of the rainbow. I think that's pretty sweet. You can see my ambient lighting back here that I have under my kind of dash, and I really like that. I could easily customize that and change it to match anything that I have showing up on the screen here so they're in sync, but I'm just showing off this product right now. But if you're into ambient lighting and you're into all these cool effects, this is a really awesome accessory that's super easy to install. So let's keep going through the modes here. So let's see. This is just kind of that pulsing where they're going to rotate from go through all the colors. They're all synced up together. I think that's nice, a nice slow rotation. And this is that solid rotation where it's the solid color rotation. Pretty cool. I think this is like a party mode where if I'm talking, it picks up the sound. So I'm not going to play any music on my channel for right now, but you can clearly hear that when you're jamming down the street listening to your tunes, this will pick up all those sounds and bounce along to the music. So that's cool. The next one is similar to that, but they come in from both sides. So it's cool. As you hear me talking and as I get louder, you can see the color kind of change and the different kind of modes come out. I like that one too. So then we're back to the solid colors. I think it starts off as blue, green, red. So now we've been through all the modes. So pretty awesome product and super simple to install. Nice clean install by using that Sentry Mode dash port. Just make sure you get a splitter again if you want to use that Sentry Mode port, which I highly recommend. Really cool product. So I knew it was going to be a quick video today, but I actually really do like this product. Installation, super simple. I was able to route all the wires up and kind of keep it hidden in kind of a clean look. I really like the ambient lighting inside my Tesla. I really think it adds something, especially to these older models that don't have an ambient lighting feature. On the new Juniper, yeah, it comes with ambient lighting all the way around, but with some of these older Teslas, the original Model Ys, the old school Model 3s, they don't have the ambient lighting feature. So I really like adding customized lighting to my Tesla. I think these look great. These look so much better, I think, than some of the other options out there. I know I've reviewed lots of ambient lighting things for inside my car, but I think tying it in together with the footwell lights, the actual dash light here, and syncing it up to my screen lights now, it's actually going to look really nice. I think it's a good product. The value's there, and let me know what you guys think down below. If you are interested in this product, this is available on Handshow. I'll have a link to it down in the description there. Whenever you shop at Handshow, make sure to use my discount code GAMBLETON80. It saves you 20% right here on the screen. So it really helps out the channel when you use those codes. So I appreciate you guys, always using them when you shop at Handshow. They have so many awesome products for Teslas. I'll have lots more coming on the channel too for you to review. If you're interested in anything else that I've reviewed for my Tesla, check out my Amazon storefront. I'll have a link to that in the description as well. There's lots of great products on Amazon, how I clean my Tesla, what I use to go Tesla camping, and the awesome accessories that I recommend from Amazon sellers for all the cool stuff for my Tesla. So check that out as well. I appreciate you guys coming back to the channel. Feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of these kind of dash lights. Is it too much? Is it just enough? What would you guys think? Would you rock these in your Model Y? Let me know down in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.